Never lose a brilliant idea again. Learn how a simple automation can let you effortlessly record, transcribe, organize all your thoughts from a meeting or a spontaneous brainstorm session you had with a colleague. So say goodbye to those forgotten insights and hello to supercharging your productivity. I have created an AI automation for you. One that actually it's a very simple one, once again. And what it does, it actually allows you to transcribe any of your thoughts that you've just spoken into your phone. It will transcribe them. It will turn all of your ideas into structured data, and then it will send it off to whatever platform you want to send it off to. For our example, I'm using a Google Doc, but it could be sent off to Slack. It could be sent off to an email. It could be posted straight to your colleagues at the office, into your Asana, whatever endpoint you want to add. I'm just showing how you could build this for yourself or for your customers. I really do use this automation pretty much every day in my life. So when I drive my car, when I go to work, when I go and pick up my kids, I often have an idea. I just quickly hit a button on my home screen, and then it will record my message. I'll drop it in my Google Drive, and AI will do the rest. So I'm going to show you how you can build this. I've recorded this what I'm saying right now, so I could actually show you what that end result could be. Let's just get into it, and let me explain how I made this automation. The first thing we need to look at is how I got the file to my Google Drive. I'm using an iPhone, so when I'm in my iPhone, let me just have a look. When I'm on my iPhone, I actually just hit the three dots at the top, then I scroll towards more, and I say Google Drive, and then this is my recording, and I already have so this is my folder that I want to put it in, and then I'm just going to select the folder where it needs to go, audio notes, and then I'm going to say save here, and then top right, I'm going to hit upload. That's all I do, and then after that, it will go straight to my Google Drive. And in the meantime, I've just hit run so that you can actually see it working. So the file I uploaded, let me just have a look at the output that it came up with. Never lose a brilliant idea again. Yeah, so that's why I started this video off with. So this is the original the text that I said. So after that, it's going to send it off and turn it into structured data. So from here, it's going to go for, let me just have a look. It turns into a JSON. And then from format output, then it's going to go for this module here, which is Claude Anthropic, and we're using 3.5 Haiku. That's the model, the text model we're using, and we've given it a prompt. So like I said previously, we try and make this generic for everyone, so you can use it for like lectures, interviews, creative brainstorming, customer feedback, legal dictation, podcast editing, tutorial ideas, blah 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 blah, all of that, or note to self. Yeah, let me say this is a tutorial idea. So I'm just going to get rid of all of this. You can edit this file however you want. Just do it once, and then it will run like you want it to run the next time. Put your company name in, or your brand. I'm going to put in make it no code. That's what I'm going to put in, and then I'm just going to hit save. So that's how it would work for me personally. So now it should have created a Google document. Let me just have a look. Articles. And there's my new document. There's the original transcript I've put in, and after that, it will say, I'll help you create a document for this content, categorize in tutorial ideas. So like I said, I've just removed all of my prompting, and I've just said, this is tutorial idea. The tutorial idea, effortless idea capture automation. So it's going to explain here the purpose of it, the key features, the personal use case, the technical workflow, the benefits. So it's going to come up with loads and loads of stuff just based on what I've said there. So potential target users, entrepreneurs, professionals, creative individuals, students. So it's come up by itself, potential target users, the recommended platforms, blah, blah, blah. It'll just think of loads of stuff around what you've been saying. So once it's sent it off to Google Drive, we've added in a route. In this case, we've gone for 3 routes, one being Slack, email, and it will also post it straight to Asana within a task. So imagine you would use this literally as a dictation. You've gone for an interview, you've gone to talk to a client, and you need to get what you've said or what you've talked about with the client you need to get that straight to the office so that people can understand what's being said and start working on it. I literally used this automation a couple of days ago when I sat down face to face with the client, put my phone on the table. Everything that we discussed, I just sent off straight to the cloud, and then my team in my office just picked up what had to be done for the client. So this is just one simple automation tool that we're putting within Improve Your Business tools within our school community. And if you're into automations like we are, and you like being more productive and not wasting time on say transcribing stuff or writing out notes and then sending it off to someone, this is a kind of automation that you can simply do. If you want to get hold of these files in our school community, links down below. And you might also be interested in this video here that teaches you a lot more about automations. So I hope to see you on the next one, and until then, bye bye.